So we'll be going over how to perform a max tare on a meter. So the first step, make sure you have pressure applied to the meter, and from there we're going to put the meter into manual mode by holding the select button for 3 to 5 seconds. Once we see the auto light has gone out, we're in manual mode. From here we will press or toggle the up arrow until we have our flow reading is slightly above whatever our max flow is for the meter. For this meter it's 100 CFH, so we will be opening it until we get a little over 100 CFH. And it is important to let the meter level out. If you open it too quickly, the pressure might catch up and will cause it to go higher than you want it to. So once we get right about 100, so we're going to go just one over just to make sure we have a little bit of overhead. From here we will hold the setup button for 3 to 5 seconds to enter the P parameters. See, we're at P1.00. We'll use the up and down arrows to navigate to P6. Hit the select button to go to the next level. We're at P6.10. We're going to hit the up arrow again until we get to P6.5. We'll hit select. We're going to see a 0 when we change that to a 1 with the up arrow, and hit select to save the value. So now we have performed a max tare, and you'll be able to know you performed a max tare because once you back out, you'll get a high limit alarm because the valve is now open as high as you want it to go. From here we can put it back into auto mode by holding the select button, and the meter should drive closed and your max tare is complete.